We're going on the record. Court is calling 2025 CR 002324 State versus Roxanna Gomez. And are you Ms. Gomez? Did you understand your charge? You're welcome. Did you understand your charge with theft of property, less than $2,500 with 2 previous convictions? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at an $800 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 PF 12500. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense is at the plea. Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, community service restitution, no contact with Walmart in the theft course. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing? Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client? All right. Do you have any children? Are they adults? Do you have any grandchildren? Are they adults? All right. So if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And here's the thing. You need to be honest with the court because I will have you drug tested, okay? So what I will tell you is this. Where we start out in life, that's not where we will end up, right? So I'm going to follow your agreement, but I'm trying to figure out what programs would help you so you won't be back here again. You understand? So if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? All right, for what? What else? All right, do you want me to go send you for a drug test? Okay, all right, so I'm going to send her for a drug test. And Miss Abrams, can you see felony drug court is right downstairs right now. They could probably do the drug test. All right, so they're going to do a drug test. All right, you can stop that. She says she's going to be dirty for meth as well. All right. Is there anything else other than the marijuana and meth? All right, so don't do wrong people with me. And let me just tell you why. Because the people you're with, if they were before me, they would say they were with the wrong people. When I ask them who that is, they'll be Miss Gomez. So how often are you using? All right, this is what the court is going to do. 3 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's to be no contact with Walmart. And we can hold a theft course in abeyance because I don't think the theft thing is her problem. I think drugs are her problem. So we'll do a theft course in abeyance. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, 100 of the hours will be deemed satisfied. All right. So I will tell you what, the remaining 100 hours will be deducted if she provides some type of proof or certification from a trade school. So your choices will be, you can do 100 of hours because it's going to get hot in San Antonio. They'll have you picking up trash outside, or you can better yourself with a trade school. I'm going to want the TAP evaluation in custody and a referral to felony drug court. And that's to be in custody. There's an $800 fine that will be probated. Take in consideration 2025 PF 12500. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else? So this is what's going to happen. They're going to take you into custody today. We're going to get the TAP evaluation done, and we can go off the record. I'm doing it to try to help you because the last thing I would want to see for you is you're spending the rest of your life in jail or in prison, or either somebody having to identify your body. You understand? All right, so the deputy is going to take you into custody today. They're going to do the TAP evaluation and the felony drug court evaluation. Counsel, if they recommend inpatient treatment and you don't agree with it, you can come back. But I will tell you, felony drug court is a great program. So you're going to need to be honest with them. It's a hard program, but they will help you get stable, okay? All right, good luck to you. Court is calling 2025 CR 0000279, State versus Karen Garnica. Can I have parties announced?
Andrew Harris, agent for the state.
And are you Miss Garnica? Did you understand you're charged with intoxication assault with a vehicle SBI as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Are you a U.S. citizen? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. State recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense, is that the plea?
That's correct.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting 6 years in the prison. I'm sorry, 6 years for the length of your community service. Did you understand? I'm sorry, 6 years for the length of your probation. Did you understand that that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation? Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. State, you're not asking for jail time as a condition or the license to be suspended or any of that?
That was in the offer.
All right. So are you prepared to do 10 days in the Bexarcounty jail today? I mean, if you want, we can reset it for sentencing.
Judge, I'm just trying to talk to you. See if there's an option, just prepare up to listen to her appointment. Until the 10 days. But there's another option, extra community service hours or extra monies in lieu of 10 days.
No, yes,
They recommend partial GPS.
we can do partial GPS. But I still am gonna want her brought back for sentencing. Let me just tell you, sometimes I will do this, sometimes not, but based upon what I'm reading in the report, I think we need to get a TAP evaluation done just so I can see what will be appropriate for her. How long would a TAP evaluation last out of custody?
Judge, I could probably get it done maybe within 2 weeks.
All right, so let me see where that puts us. Is it possible for us to shoot for April 17th? I know that's sort of less than, but you know, that's my mom's birthday week coming up.
Sure, Judge, I can ask for a release.
All right, so we're gonna come back on April 17th. The state said they will be in agreement to you're just doing GPS instead of Bexarcounty Jail. And just let me know and put on the record that she has employment. She will lose her employment. Then I can find that there's hardship that exists if she were to serve the 10 days, and she can serve it on GPS partial for employment. All right, so we're gonna recall this, and you're waiving the PSI, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're gonna recall it for April 17th. And what's gonna end up happening is, after reading everything, I'm gonna follow your plea bargain agreement, but I need to find out if you need sober support meetings, if you need any type of thing to help you with this alcohol issue. You understand? All right, so make sure you make all of the appointments that probation sets up for you, especially that TAP evaluation, because that'll tell me everything I need to do, okay? All right, thank you. You're welcome. Yeah, well, once she signs the reset form and once she speaks with probation, she'll be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Magayana? Okay. Yes. All right, can you come down, miss? All right, your attorney is going to wanted to withdraw from your case and you are retained. Do you have any objections to his withdrawal? All right, so I'm going to grant him his withdrawal. And are you able to afford an attorney? All right, so what we're going to do is, Ms. Ferguson, let's recall her case for Monday and let's see if we can have an attorney for her by then. All right? And I'll grant your motion to withdraw. Thank you.